Hi guys, if your computer is running slowly because of a high memory usage problem, then keep watching. As in this video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to reduce your memory usage and boost the overall speed of your computer. Step number 1. Clear page files at shutdown. Follow these steps. Hit Windows key plus R key to open Run application, then type regedit and hit Enter. Double-click on HK Local Machine, then go to System folder. Now open Current Control Set, open Control folder, and find Session Manager folder. Now scroll down as you find Memory Management folder. Double-click on it, and you should find a DWORD file renamed as Clear Page File at Shutdown. Right-click and hit Modify. Change this value 0 to 1 and hit OK. Step number 2. Disable unnecessary services. Hit Windows key plus R key to open Run application, then type services.msc, hit Enter. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, double-click on it, stop the service, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Hit Apply and OK. Then search for Superfetch or SysMain service, double-click on it, stop and set Startup Type to Disabled. Hit Apply and OK. Now find Windows Search Service, double-click on it, stop the service, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Same as before, hit Apply and OK. These services are not much necessary but using a lot of hardware resources. Step number 3. Reduce Google Chrome RAM usage. Open Google Chrome, go to Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Go to Cookies and other site data. Turn off this preload pages for faster browsing setting. This will reduce memory usage, but browsing speed will be a bit slower. You can undo this step if you're feeling too much slower. Step number 4. Disable startup programs. Open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable all the unnecessary startup tasks. Step number 5. Reduce Windows animations and visual effects. Open this PC, right-click and open Properties. Click on Change Settings, go to the Advanced tab, and click on Performance Settings. Then check this Adjust for best performance option and check some features as your preferences. Hit Apply and OK. Step number 6. Keep your Windows up to date. Go to Search Windows and type Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates. Download and install updates as your computer finds any. Step number 7. Use Wise Memory Optimizer. Download and install the application. Direct download link on the description. Let me show you how this works. As you can see, my memory usage is currently at this present. Now all you need to do is click on Optimize. As you can see, it's reducing my RAM usage significantly. Give a like to the video if you find this video useful, and do consider hitting that subscribe button. See you guys on the next video.